Alrighty, so welcome to my first cooking lesson. I'm making some red cabbage with red onions and some orange chicken. I've already skinned it and cleaned it, so I'm just going to go ahead and season it. I have some chili powder. I like my food a little spicy, and my man don't mind either. My chicken is a little, it's fine. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit more chili powder. Alright, got that going. I'm going to put a little Tony Chachere's. I don't really measure my seasoning out. I've been cooking for over 20 years, so it's really not necessary. Alright, a little black pepper in there. So what I have cut up to go into my orange chicken is some fresh orange slices that I cut up. I have some white onions, some orange and yellow bell peppers, and a little garlic. Add that pepper, alright. And lastly, I'm going to put a little thyme in here. I may even put a little lemon pepper just because that citrus is going to help bring out the flavor of the orange chicken. Right. So I was a little heavy-handed with the thyme there, but I love the flavor of that. And then we're going to put a little lemon pepper. Okay, so I've already had my pan heating up with a little oil and orange juice in it. Alright, so we're over to the pan now. And I'm going to just go ahead and put my onions in there, start letting them fry, turn the heat up to about medium-high. I like to get my vegetables cooked down a bit before I add my protein. I'm going to brown those veggies. Again, I said that I had some vegetable oil in here already and some lemon juice. And I wish you could smell it. It smells divine. So I'm just getting those veggies browned. Alright, so as that is browning, I'm going to go ahead and get the cabbage started. I have about 45 minutes to get this meal prepared. Before my man comes home looking for his meal. So we're going to switch gears. I'm going to go ahead and toss the bell peppers in here. And those orange peel pieces. Just going to let that do its thing for a little bit. While that's cooking, we'll go ahead and switch gears and start on the cabbage. Pan on medium-high. Gonna put some oil in that pan. I'm gonna throw those red onions in there. I really don't know why they're called red onions considering they're purple, but whatever. So while those are doing their thing, I'm just gonna mix up that orange sauce a bit. Since I'm doing an orange chicken, I may go ahead and put a little brown sugar in my other pan, the one that you hear sizzling. Turn the heat up a little bit, let that cook down. I might turn the heat up a little bit on my onions to get them going. Those onions sizzling, frying quite nicely. While those fry, I'm going to go ahead and put my seasonings in for the cabbage. I'm going to use a little Tony Chachere's again. And some pepper. A lot of pepper. Then I'm going to go ahead and chunk the cabbage in. It did not go as planned. Better. Alright, just going to mix that down. Toss it in there. Okay, so I'm going to let this fry just a bit and cook down. I probably won't add any more seasoning. Maybe some garlic powder. As a matter of fact, I think I am going to add some garlic powder. Have this nice little mix of garlic and a little salt. Okay, so while that cooks, we're going to switch gears and get back over there to that orange chicken. Those veggies are nice and caramelized. We're back over to that orange chicken in the making. Veggies are nice and cooked down. I'm going to go ahead and add that brown sugar. Just a little tiny bit of sugar. Smells great. Okay. I'll go ahead and put that chicken in there. Alrighty. I like to clean as I go, so there's not that much to clean up. So I'm going to move on to the tongs now. I kind of just like to let it sit on one side for a bit to soak up some flavor, and go ahead and sit on the other side. Once they both soak up a little bit of that flavor, I'll go ahead and let them sit for about 7 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and fully cooked inside. So I will check back in with you all once this food gets to percolating and a little further in the process. Got the cabbage nice and cooked down, glistening. Go ahead and get that out of there. It's just a piece of the cabbage that's kind of hard. We don't want to eat that. So I'll probably let this cook for another maybe 5 minutes. I like my cabbage soft but not mushy, because then it doesn't have any protein or vitamins in it, I should say. It doesn't have its same value anymore, I should say. Man, that looks so yummy and pretty. Those onions are nice and cooked down and caramelized. Now that the cabbage is pretty much done, I'm just going to tend to this chicken and get it browned on both sides. It's feeling pretty good, nice and tender. I love thigh meat. I may go as far as to add a little water. If I had some almond milk, I would add that to create a gravy. Or I may just leave it as is. It tastes really good. So I'll just let that do that. Fry, simmer, sear, and come back on once it's basically brown so you all can see. Almost forgot about the potatoes. So I have, 6 golden potatoes and a bath of water. They're already clean. I'm just going to bring them to a boil. And I like to add chicken broth to my water. So I'm going to add that. It gives the potatoes a very delicious flavor. So you're welcome. That's my secret. Those are going to boil. I know you hear the chicken sizzling. It's looking delicious. Smelling even better. I'll give y'all another peek at that once it browns some more on both sides. Chicken is nice and brown. Still cooking it a bit more. I turn my heat down to about low. It doesn't sound that way right now, but it'll cool down to that temperature. My potatoes have not quite started boiling yet, but once they do, we'll be in business. My potatoes are finally boiling, and they're in a good place because I'm able to stick a fork through them. So that means that they're just about done. I could probably let them boil for another 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll be able to mash them. Alright, so I have drained my potatoes, and I'm going to go ahead and take a fork and just mash on them. I have some stubborn ones that just don't want to be nice. Just have to show them who the boss is. Cheers, baby. Alright, so got them nice and mashed down. I'm going to go ahead and add some sour cream because we like sour cream in this family. Okay. So as you can see, our mashed potatoes are getting creamier. I'm also going to add some of this ranch that I got from Pinch Me. It's really tasty. Just get a little bit of that in there. I already added some seasoning salt to the water while it was boiling, but I'm still going to add a little more. Ooh, it smells yummy. Alright, so those are done. And that is the finale of my meal. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you.